Another top story that we are tracking right here on ET Now is that US Vice President J.D. Vance has kicked off his 4-day visit to India as he and his family members have arrived at the Palam airport in the national capital. Remember, Vance is also expected to meet Prime Minister Modi later today, and this visit actually comes amid the global concern over Trump's tariffs and talks between the two nations that remain very crucial. Let's go across to Sumita, who's tracking the visit and also the agenda that is likely on cards for J.D. Vance. Very good morning to you, Sumita, and it's going to turn out to be a very busy 4-day for you.
Absolutely, and I'm totally looking forward to it. There is a lot of hectic activity that's being seen in New Delhi. Given the fact that J.D. Vance, United States Vice President, is in India. He landed at the Palam airport just a short while back, and he was received by none other than the IT Minister, Ashwini Vaishnav. He was also given the ceremonial guard of honor as well. But all eyes are on the conversation, the bilateral talks that J.D. Vance will have with the Prime Minister later in the day at about 6 p.m. or so. He's expected to have dinner conversations with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and of course members of his cabinet will also be present. Sources say that these conversations are going to be around the bilateral relationship that India and the United States have. These conversations will be around the economic angle of the ties, around defense ties, around the technology partnership, the ICET initiative or Trust initiative as it was rebranded. And of course, there's going to be talks around how to fast track the bilateral trade agreement that both the countries had decided to take forward, even as the specter of Trump tariffs is continuing to worry countries across the globe. Now, this visit is crucial from a number of standpoints. Number one, that this is coming in, like you rightly said, that even as a 90-day reprieve has been granted by the Donald Trump administration to countries across the globe, with the only exception of China. India is also negotiating a mutually beneficial bilateral trade agreement, the deadline for which at least both the sides are stating that the first tranche should be complete by fall of this year. So, of course, there will be talks around how to fast track that and, what more can be done so far as fast forwarding that bilateral trade agreement is concerned. That is key. The other standpoint from why this visit is crucial is because Usha Vance, a second lady, hails from India. So there is that angle as well. There is a soft power, perhaps, of India, which is being reflected here in the ties between United States and India. And the third angle is that even as Donald Trump administration says that they are in talks with at least 70 countries to seal deals post he announced tariffs, well, there is China as well, which is also having its own set of negotiations with countries in Southeast Asia, including Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, etc. In fact, an overture has also been made to India as well, wherein officials from the Chinese embassy here in New Delhi stated that both the countries should come together and oppose United States unilateral tariffs. So these are a couple of standpoints from which this visit is important, but all eyes will be on this evening's high-profile visit, high-profile meeting with the Prime Minister. Tomorrow, J.D. Vance will be going to Jaipur, where he's expected to deliver an address, and then he goes to Agra to visit the Taj Mahal. And then on the 24th, he goes back to the United States. Now, it's very important to also understand that this is not the only visit that's happening right now, not the only high-profile diplomatic visit. You also have members of India's Commerce Ministry who will be visiting the United States starting April 23rd, is what sources are telling us, to further see where talks are moving as far as the bilateral trade agreement between the two countries is concerned.
Thank you so much, Sumita, for getting us all those details.